Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Quality score affects your costs, ad rank and visibility. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to improve quality score in Google Ads 2026 and pay less for better results. Now before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to set up your Google Ads account. We're just going to go to business.google.com and now you're going to click on the start now and make sure to link your Google account with your Google Ads account. Once you do that, you're going to be able to enter your business detail and business website right here and create your first campaign and publish your ads. Let's go back to our topic and talk about the quality score. The first thing you want to do is to understand quality score. Quality score is based on expected CTR, ad relevance, and also landing page experience. Now, the second thing you want to do is to improve keyword relevance. You can use 5 keyword groups. You can avoid mixing unrelated keywords. You can use exact and phrase match. And after that, you can optimize the ad copy, include keywords in headlines, match search intent, and use clear call to actions. You can also improve the landing pages, fast loading pages, and mobile friendly, and strong relevance to the ad. Make sure to improve that. And also make sure to pause keywords with QS below 5. Also use the responsive search ads and continuously test the headlines. And that's it. That's how you can improve quality score in Google Ads 2026 and reduce costs per click. Now, that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.